Welcome to Roadies Roam the World. In this episode, we make our way from Isle of Skye to Fort William.
All right, Taylor, this video is for you. We are at the viaduct for the Jacobite, I can't remember what it's called, Jacobite Express? Well, anyway, it's the Hogwarts Express, better known as, right? Harry Potter. So Harry Potter fans, I'm gonna just geek out on Harry Potter here for a second. I don't know if we'll actually get to see a train go through. One went through about an hour ago. We were in Fort William doing laundry, of all things, and we heard it. And we got really excited, but we never did get to see it. So we're hoping maybe we'll get to see one come through while we're here. So we'll journey up the path a little bit and see if we can see anything else.
As a Harry Potter fan, the Glenfinnan Viaduct was a must-see. In addition to several other films and television series, it was in 4 of the Harry Potter films. My only regret is that we didn't stay long enough to see the steam engine come through. According to Wikipedia, the Glenfinnan Viaduct is the longest concrete railway bridge in Scotland at 380 meters. The Glenfinnan Viaduct is a mass concrete structure, which means it contains no metal reinforcement. This West Highland Line connects Fort William and Mallaig. The Jacobite steam train runs on the line during the summer months and is a popular tourist attraction.
Here it comes. Okay, this is exciting, everybody. We are going to see the Harry Potter, the Hogwarts Express, the Hogwarts Express coming down the track. Super exciting. And there it goes. 30 seconds of greatness.
While we didn't have a ton of time, we could not pass up getting to see Glencoe. We went to the Folk Museum to look around, and we found an 18th century thatched cottage. Glencoe is a hiker's paradise, and I so wish that I could have stayed longer.
Matimba, friends and family. We are in Loch Lomond National Park, and behind me is a beautiful glen that we saw. It's called Glencoe, and it's just, the views are just stunning. So we actually drove past the top of this where we could turn in and park and keep it and we got to the bottom and we said, no, we're turning around. We have to go back and get that. It was just too beautiful to not get it. So this is the Glen. I'm gonna turn us around so we can get some better views.
After Glencoe, we made our way south to spend the night in West Harbour and board the Kennicraig ferry the next morning to cross to the Isle of Islay.
I'm driving down an empty freeway, no waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing